Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today. I hope you're not getting tired of them, but this will be my last one for a while. But I realized I hadn't done one in blues yet, so that's the plan today. I've got Phthalo Blue, Maganese Blue, this is a beautiful color by Soho, and Phthalo Green Blue, and some gold from Modern Masters in Gold Rush, it's called. I didn't mix up a lot of that because these metallics tend to sell up, and I don't want a lot of cells in this look. And then I took some, mixed up a big batch of white and poured a little bit of the phthalo in here and the manganese blue in here. Pretty similar, but when they dry, I think there'll be a little bit of a distinction, and I think that should work. And then a couple of people wanted to see the dried result of this cloud pour I did not long ago. So here's a dried and varnished result. I think it came out pretty. I varnished it with Liquitex High Gloss Varnish, diluted 50-50 with water. And then I did probably 8 or 10 coats to get this nice shiny finish on it. Yeah, just I use a old cotton t-shirt to just rub on and circular motions. I do a whole bunch at a time, and by the time I finished with the last one, the first one is ready to put another coat on. And I've mentioned this before, but if you didn't see that video, it's a really easy way to varnish. The first maybe 4, even 5 coats won't look that good, and you might be worried that you've messed it up, but just be patient and go again, and suddenly maybe your 6th or 7th coat, it'll look pretty good. And then I put another 2 coats on top of that usually. So yeah, no brush strokes, no circular motion strokes. It's just a nice finish. So there you go. Okay. Well, let me get set up here with the base coat, and I shall return. Okay, I added a little more of the Phthalo Blue to this one to get more of a contrast. They were very similar in value, and I needed it a little different. So, here we go. Gosh, that's a beautiful color, Phthalo Blue. This should be a fun addition, this Phthalo Blue green, or green blue. Wondering if I want to I don't think I will. I'm going to add another crisscross thing here. I think I did that before, and I can't remember if I liked it or if it was a bad idea. Oh well. Okay, that should be enough. Do I have any more Okay, folks, here we go. Wish me luck. You just never know. I may stop there. Wait, that gold really selled up. Oh, there's always one part I don't like. I don't care for that right there. It's so minor, though. I shouldn't worry about it. This is very nice. That's a really nice area. It's just that one tiny little section there. Yeah, I think I like it. Oh, I'm just tempted to mess with it. Why do I want to do that? I'm bothered by this one little section in that shape there. I wonder if I could take a straw and blow it out instead of the... I hate getting my head in the video here, but especially today because I cut my hair. I took the scissors to it and just chopped it, so whatever. That's better. I think I'm going to live with that. I think I'm okay. Okay, I'm leaving it alone. Okay, well that was pretty easy. As always, I'll put the recipe down below. You can do it, folks. It's pretty easy as long as your consistencies are the same. And I put the exact recipe, the exact measurements that I use. Now, you know, I'm using Soho paints this time. And that worked. I mean, I can't guarantee that you're going to get these results if you use different paints, but I don't always use Soho. If you watch my other videos, a lot of times I use this inexpensive Fine Touch. I don't think they're even making this one anymore. They make a more liquidy one, which might work just as well. And I use Artist Loft. I use Liquitex. Pretty much they all seem to work with this formula, but of course I can't guarantee it. It always takes some experimentation. But there you go. Thanks for joining me. And unless you want to give me some color combinations to try, I'm going to move on to something else. So thanks for watching, folks. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. I'm back. I can't live with that corner. I'm that unhappy with it that I've got to try to do something. I like this. I like that. Something about this corner bothers me, so I'm going to scrape off a good part of it. I like that. Try to kind of make a scrape off an organic shape. That's not bad. Okay, then what I did was I mixed up both the base coats I had left. I didn't have enough of either one to cover that area, so I mixed them together and came up with this, and now I'm just going to pour that in there. Get over there. Okay. Now, spread that out a little bit. I think I'm happier. Now, am I done? I don't think I want to hit it with any air, but maybe just a little straw to kind of settle those edges in a little bit. I better stop before I'm tempted to scrape some more. It's awfully straight there, though. See, this is what I do. I've got to blow that out. I've got to make this more curvy. It's too parallel with all the, organic looking lines. This one's okay, but this is too straight. So I don't think that helped much. Oh my gosh, this is when I get in trouble. Leave it alone. Right? Leave it alone. Okay. I think I'm okay with it now. Oh my gosh. This is what I do, folks. Let me turn it around so I can show you the orientation that I'm looking at and now I'm pleased with. Ta-da! Okay, I'm much happier now. Let me bring you in. Did I bring you in? I don't think I brought you in for a closer look. Let me take you in to take a look. I like the lacy kind of cells. I'm not crazy about the cells you get with the metallics. I don't know why. It's just personal preference. Here's the little section I think I fixed. I think it looks better. It's pretty lacing up there. Yeah, I like the hard edges. Oh, that's a lovely section right there. Okay. Whew. It's done. I promise I'm not going to mess with it anymore. Okay, my friends, thank you so much. Bye now.